Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example, in the messages, just like I will open, or in the notes, in the browser, whenever actually you want to, and whichever app will give you an opportunity to have the keyboard on the screen. And now just tap on the settings here. Now let's tap on the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's change it. Let's tap on Add a Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. And basically all you have to do is to simply find the language and tap on it. So let me pick this one. And sometimes, of course, again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let's tap on it. And here we've got keyboard types. And again, depending on the particular language, you will have different types of keyboards to choose. Sometimes you will only have like one option to choose from, or even up to 5. Right here, by picking the Urdu language, I've got 3 different options. I've got handwriting, the Urdu keyboard, and the keyboard, let's say regular, which will be transferred to the Urdu letters. I want to apply this one, so let me tap on it. You will have to mark the keyboard you want to use and untick the other. Of course, you can apply 2 different keyboards. So let's tap on Done. And as you can see, the Urdu has been applied. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which acts just like a language key. And it will allow us to actually change the language. So right now, let's say I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Let's tap on the globe icon again, and we've got English. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So now let's enter the settings again. And a quick disclaimer, if you cannot find the settings here, no worries, just the 3 dots icon here and the settings will appear. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages. And here, all you have to do in order to leave only 1 or 2 languages is to simply tap on this edit icon, mark the language you'd like to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, I've got the English, and after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all, the spacebar is empty, and we do not have the globe icon, which simply means that we can only type in English. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.